As I am standing in the produce section of the supermarket, I am reminded that just a few years ago, Americans were reminded that their diets were probably not keeping them healthy. And I have noticed that a large number of people are actually buying more vegetables, more fruit, and more organic. And that's because they realized they needed to change. The same goes with marketing. And marketing today is not the marketing of even a year ago. And that is why I started the Local Business Growth Hub to help small business owners to stay on top of what is working now, what they need to do, and the rapid changes that are taking place in the marketplace today. So I am inviting you, if you are a small business owner, to join the Local Business Hub and keep on top of what is going on today. It is free for the first 100 people.